on to the other big story, and this is coming as far as India's former cricket captain Virat Kohli is concerned. This is the big breaking from Bengaluru. The Bengaluru civic agencies have sent a notice to a pub which is owned by Virat Kohli. Bengaluru civic body has issued a notice to 1-8 Commune pub. It is owned by cricketer Virat Kohli. The reason being given by the civic body is violation of fire safety regulation. The notice follows a complaint lodged by a social activist prompting the Shantinagar BBMP officials to act. Despite an earlier notice, the pub failed to respond, is what officials there are telling CNN News 18. The BBMP has now warned of legal action if a reply is not submitted within 7 days. So Sudat Bhardwaj is the one who is getting us those details. So that's a very, very crucial charge that is being made. Fire safety norms in the recent past in pubs have become a very touchy issue. We are counting down to New Year's and Christmas festivities. What is the reasoning perhaps this pub can give for not following the fire safety norms as is being alleged?
Yes, we failed to exactly determine why exactly the pub has not responded anything for now. Remember, this is actually not the first time that 1-8 Commune here in Bengaluru's MG Road is facing trouble. In fact, in June as well, an FIR was registered as it was running beyond stipulated hours. So this is not the first time that Virat Kohli's pub is facing trouble for that matter. But right now, they have not complied by the fire safety rules. Apparently, they have not actually received a no objection certificate from the fire department before the construction of the pub. And they have been running operations without clear fire safety guidelines, is what an activist has actually complained. And that is why the BBMP has stepped into the picture and sent a notice. It was actually sent way back in December, but they did not stick to the 7-day deadline, and no response was actually received from the pub. So what we hear from the BBMP sources is that notice will be sent once again on Monday, and in case they do not
Right. So Sudat, they're telling us that this notice that has been sent to them to the 1 Commune 8 pub, if they do not respond, there could be more trouble. 1-8 Commune pub, believed to be associated and owned by former India cricket captain Virat Kohli. Fire safety norms are what the BBMP officials are saying they have not been following. And like Sudat and I were discussing, this is the season where most people go to such pubs. The Christmas holidays, the New Year holidays, a lot of people go and celebrate at high-end pubs. And for the fire safety mechanism to be missing is a crucial lapse, as BBMP is alleging. We still don't know what is the version of the pub in question, which is what we are waiting to ascertain. And we will tell you, Sudat is on that story, we will tell you more about what the pub's version is. But for now,